Many times we talk about scale. You've heard about scaling, right? Where you're no longer trading time for dollars, but you have a business that scales. In other words, you create something once, but you get paid for it multiple times, like, who knows, a online course or something like this. Well, the reality is that you don't want to scale. Scaling is not your target. Scaling is not your goal. Clarity is your goal. I'll explain why. If you try to make scaling your goal, what happens if your business has confusion all around it? In other words, you're disorganized. Your process is clunky. Your systems has 2,500 steps and clients are just confused and they need customer service. Look, you don't want to scale. You want clarity as your goal. Once you get clear on what you're selling, what you're providing, and then you have systems and processes and structures in place. In other words, it removes all that sideways energy that so many times when we first start out as entrepreneurs, it is so cumbersome. You know, we have all this manual stuff that needs to happen when we make a sale. You can't scale that thing by 100 or by 1,000 or by 10,000 sales a day. Imagine that. It would crush you. And so therefore, before I help entrepreneurs scale, and we do this in something called Business Academy Elite, before we do that, the first step is to get clear. Clarity is the key. Then, once you have clarity, now you can scale. Now it's fun to scale. Why? Because scaling clarity is the coolest thing in the world. Scaling confusion, that's enough to put you in the hospital. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Hope you enjoy the daily show today. If you need another spark in your day, make sure you subscribe and share. We'll see you.